This is a video for the Form 2, 2M1 and 2M2 for the exercise in textbook self-practice 11.3. So this exercise is about the reflection. So you can see this is an exercise. All this exercise you can find in your textbook. You can go find in your textbook this exercise. Okay, so now we're going to see the questions number 1. Okay, so this is a question number 1. The first question is asking you to identify which is a reflection. Okay, that's when you have 4 pictures here. Which one is showing you a reflection? So first, we're going to review what is reflection. Okay, again, reflection is something like the change in direction. Okay, means up become down. Okay, or maybe left change become right. This is mean the image and object will give you something like the mirror, something like the image in mirror. So another thing, sure, the change in position. So this one is because the image and object will be something like the flip. You flip the image and object to left. Maybe you will say left to right. Okay, maybe you say flip according up and down. So the shape and the size after reflection will be always the same because there is congruence. Okay, this is all we have learned in textbook. Okay, when we are doing the class in school. So now we have A, B, C, and D. So sure, the D is not reflection because you see the shape and the sides must be the same. Now the first one and the second one we have different shapes, so sure this is not the reflection. Okay, then the first one here, there is only change in position but not change in direction. I mean the left and right and also up and down of the pictures, the first one and the second ones still is the same. So this one should be the first transformation we have learned, that is translation. This is not the reflection. So the first one and the last one we have finished. So now we look at the middle 2 pictures here, B and C. So the picture in B, you see this triangle and the second triangles, the direction already changed. Okay, they change from left become right. So the size and also the shape is still the same. So B, this is a change in direction and also change in position. So B, this one is a reflection. And we can say that is reflect at the middle, something like this, from left flip to the right. Okay, so how about C? Okay, C, we also can say there is a reflection because we can say this shape, if we divide equally, they can become the first part and the second part, something like this. So the first part and the second part actually is the same. So in other words, this is also the axis of symmetry. So when you have a shape, so you can find the axis of symmetry. So that means the shape also involved with reflection. Okay, so in other words, we can say the C is a reflection. So except we can draw the axis of symmetry like the first one we have drawn, we also can divide the picture like this. So that means we just consider the reflection is reflect from left to the right. And then just now the first one which is consider the reflection from up to down. So means in these questions we have two reflection. That is B and C. So I hope you understand.